Hey guys, hey, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to my channel. Before we jump into the video, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please remember to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Don't be stingy, don't do that. Sharing is caring. Now that we're about to jump into the video, this weekend is Father's Day weekend. So it's Saturday, tomorrow is Father's Day. What's on the agenda? So for breakfast, I'm doing strawberry stuffed French toast with bacon, eggs, blended fruit juice, some form of blend, right? I'm thinking of actually doing a pina colada, so I'm gonna find out how I can do that. So I have the pineapple, I have the coconut water. I think I need some form of sweetener. Yeah, I have the pineapples that I can blend, and I have the coconut water. So yeah, so that's our breakfast. For dinner, we're doing lamb chops, mashed potatoes, green beans, curry shrimp. Yeah, that's for dinner, and probably just juice. Desserts. You're looking at her. You're looking at her, okay? He likes cheesecake, so I'll probably get him a cheesecake. So that's what's on the menu for tomorrow. What are we doing for today? What's on the agenda for today? I need to go to one of the shipping companies to collect his Father's Day gift. I have one of his Father's Day gifts being delivered down by our store location. I need to go to the supermarket. I need to go to, is it Clock Tower? Not Clock Tower. I don't remember which plaza it is, but I need to go to Fashion Area Beauty because I'm in between whether I want to give him a facial and a massage, or do I want him to get a facial and a massage. I think for concept of content, it would be good for me to, do all of that. But I'm kind of feeling already exhausted. Not really getting enough rest. I feel overworked, overwhelmed, and everything in between. Overstimulated, very, very overstimulated. So I just feel like I may not be able to give him the best facial and best massage. But I really want to do that. So I'm still thinking about it. I've been trying to ask him what does he want, and he's not telling me what he wants. So I want him to tell me that he wants a massage. So that I can just I can get him somebody to give him the massage. But what I wanted, usually I use someone who is very near and dear to me, but I want to give him that experience where when he walks in, he has his glass of wine, and that luxury feeling. I want him to get a facial and a massage. I really want him to just de-stress and just relax tomorrow. So I'm still thinking how all of that would work. I'm really thinking. So I want to go to the supermarket today, season up my meats and everything today. So just in case tomorrow, we have space and time to do things tomorrow if we end up on the road. So that's the plan right now. I will get back to you guys. This is the outfit for today. Black blouse, pinkish peachish shorts. I'm gonna wear black sandals. Not doing no jewelry because the rain is falling. I ain't got time for all of that. Yeah, hair is freshly curled by me. I have on my fragrance. Today's fragrance, I'm pairing Angam with Camera. They both have like a little vanilla, a little coffee, a little mocha, a little I don't know how to explain it, but these two together, yeah man, it smells great. Secured. Time for location number 2. I don't know where that's gonna be right now. But yeah, let's go. So his other package was delivered to our shop. So when we get ready to go down the shop, I'll go down there, go pick that up. We're gonna head to, what's the plaza name? I can't remember the plaza. It's not Clock Tower. I can't remember the plaza. Yes. What? Baby's outside. Daddy's outside. I can't remember the name of the plaza now. But we're gonna go there, and there's I'm gonna go get the facial stuff. Alright, so we're heading to Fashion Island. It's gonna be a little bit dark. Yeah. Oh, these are scrubs? Card machine working? Bag secured. Alright guys, so 2 things off the agenda done. Picked up the package. Fashion area, so I got my goodies and stuff like that. You guys wanna know what I got? Let me tell you guys what I got. Imagine my day here at Tuna. Things for me I record and I was not recording. This lighting just looks so off. What is it? Alright, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I got from Fashion Era Beauty. So I got, and you guys tell me down in the comment section below how much you think that I paid for everything. I got the scented bath bomb, right? I don't want him if he's outside because we're at the mechanic. This face towel, it's shaped out like a face, so put it in some warm water, put it on his face. Gloves for scrubbing his face. I have one for bathing but not for
your name them shipping up.
My name them shipping up?
Yeah, but that's from my account.
This for rubbing in the stuff into the face. Lip mask. I got a free pen. Fashion Era, top paper bag, free pen. Hydrating, hyaluronic acid and retinol hydrating facial serum. Right. Alright. Cotton pads because I'm finishing up a cotton pad right now. Witch hazel. So yeah.
Mommy,
Yeah.
call water.
You want water?
Yeah.
May I have water, please?
Mommy,
Sure. This is why I don't do videos when they're around. You're welcome. Kojic acid and turmeric cleansing pads. That I heard from come back in the car. These you put them on your nose to take off the whiteheads. I have this already. It's actually in my bag, but I have the daytime one. I don't have the nighttime one. So I bought this, like, who I'm gonna be doing his facial. His facial is going to be in the evening to the night, so I can put that on him. So that would be his moisturizer. Let me lock the door. Lip scrub. And shine oil. And then I bought this for me because I've been wanting this. I bought this for me. You guys, I'll know when I reach a grocery store. Hobby. Then at the yard, we do at the yard, so don't have to do it tomorrow. Alright, cool, that's fine. The people them come for fix a bed. It feels a bit better. What else? The babies are draining me. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, one thing I won't do is I won't tell a lie. See, when you have kids, especially young kids, your energy is easy. You lose your energy very easily because you're using so much of it on them. Would I have them again? Yes, I most definitely would, but it's a lot. If the Lord gave me an option, I would wait until I was rich so that I could get nannies for help. Guys, I'm in Hilo. Not in the very best of moods or vibe, but we got a press on. I don't see any strawberries, so I'm feeling like I should go to the select grocer because I'm not seeing any strawberries. I have a list that I came here with. I have no idea if I'm gonna find lamb chops. So far it's looking like I may not. This is pork chops. I don't want pork chops, I want lamb chops. I can't really vlog because security is all up in my business, so when I'm finished. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. If you're a male watching my vlog, happy Father's Day. I am here whipping up Father's Day breakfast. It is 10:40 something. My husband opened his gift, talked to my dad, I texted my brother, and now I'm here doing breakfast. I paused on the egg and the bacon and everything. I'm actually going to get something for me to eat because I'm quite hungry and I haven't been eating lately, so I'm going to go ahead and leave them. He's gone with the boys. So, and none of them have eaten, but my kids, they're soldiers. They are literal soldiers. They will tug it out. I'm knowing we'll get something for them to eat while I'm up on the road, or we'll get them for make a smoothie down at the shop or something. But I'm gonna take out the meat out of the fridge. I didn't put it in the freezer last night. I put it in the fridge. I'm gonna take the meat out of the fridge. Start seasoning the meat because it is now 11:36. Start seasoning the meat. Put my mashed potatoes on the stove. I want to get dinner out the way from early, so that way when I'm to do his massage and everything, I can do that from early. I can probably send the boys to bed like 7 and start early. Oh, I need to go turn on the machine on their uniforms. Ugh. You see what something I have to do? You see what something I have to do? Ah, gosh. Let me go turn on the machine for now. My gosh. Yeah, daddy's phone ringing. Eat up.
Daddy's phone ringing?
Mm-hmm. Like it, Jam?
Yeah. Mama.
Yeah.
So like it.
You so like it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Down.
Okay, we have to carry a guy resort.
You can't top me with experiences and good food. What does that taste like?
What?
It tastes good though.
So it's supposed to be a pina colada, but because I don't have the coconut thing to make it coconutty, so that's the only part that's missing.
Tastes good. And I'm not so creative.
You're welcome, baby. Taste the bread. Taste the French toast.
What's inside that? What's inside that?
Do you like it?
Just good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's inside that?
Strawberry cream.
What?
That's why I wanted the strawberries to garnish the plate with strawberries.
Mm-hmm. Just good.
Jamil loves it. So a few more and come back and I gave them both two. Jamil come back and say, Mommy, more bread please. Jamil love it. And I'm glad you love your breakfast, baby. Or your brunch.
It's like one fit for a king.
Fit for a king, the king that you are.
Okay, my baby.
You're welcome, my love. You're welcome. I can't give the resorts. So me have to get the resort experiences, yeah man.
This is it.
Me have to get the resort food experiences and yeah.
This is it.
Well, I'm glad you enjoy it, my baby. AJ, am I gonna have to feed you? Do I have to feed you? Guys, you heard the boss? You hear what the boss said? Yeah. So this is stuffed strawberry cheesecake, French toast. So, right? Hubby loved it. Jamil loved it. Jamil come back and said, Mommy, more bread please. And I did not expect that because he's very funny with food just like me. So I really did not expect him to be so in love with the food. And my husband's like, baby, say more. I gave my husband maybe about 5 or 6. And him said, baby, is there any more? Then the juice, I wanted it to taste like pina colada, but it didn't. I learned that I need to have something called coconut. I can't remember the name of it, but we know for the next time. We know for another time that I want to do. But in another video, I will show you guys how to make what I made.
Father's Day delight.
Good night, Mr. Smith.
Good man.
Welcome to Chef Spa and Relaxation. I need you to put on the show, please.
Thank you.
Here's your complimentary drink. Getting there. We're getting there. When you come in, I need you to have a seat where the bath is. Put your feet in the water. Before you put your feet in the water, let me know if the water is too hot or if you need a little cool water on it. And if you do, I'll go ahead and add some water for you. I have some grapes that I'm going to get sorted out for you, but in the meantime, you can have a seat. You can scroll on your phone and enjoy the moment, okay? You're
Hey guys, usually at this part of the vlog, I would put some music over it and, just have the vlog running. But being that it was Father's Day and this is a Father's Day vlog, I feel like I had to share some thoughts with you guys about my husband, the father of my children. I first want to say this man is so hardworking. This man doesn't take a moment for himself. And one of the things that he always said is that you rest when you're dead. And I'm like, no, baby, we can't don't say that. But he's just like, you rest when you're dead. And I'm just like, You know, I understand where he's coming from, because he's coming from poverty. He's coming from not having it to know he has wife and children. And he's fighting so hard in life to make sure that our children and us have the best life that we could possibly give them. And I appreciate him so much. One of the things he will always say is, I'm not doing this for me, I'm doing this for you and the boys. So in the event that I'm not here, you guys have something to fall back on. And he's just like, you as my wife, you don't have to depend on a man in the event if I do have to leave early. So I just want to say that I truly appreciate my husband. I truly appreciate him as a person. This is really my best friend. This man, our children are madly in love with him. When they're always like, Mommy, where's daddy? Mommy, where's daddy? He really just loves on his children. And because of that, his children just love on him back. And I just want to let him know that we truly appreciate him. And for me, this spa day, this spa night, Father's Day, how I do Father's Day is how I can show him my level of appreciation. He deserves it every single day, but this is a day that was given. So we will appreciate him on this day. So I just want to say, love, thank you so much for all that you do and all you are. We appreciate you very much. Guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me a quick story down below about your dad. What do you appreciate about your dad? And if you don't have a dad, I send all my hugs and my kisses your way. Bye.